It's so another topic now for this MES or management accounting is all about management accounting and the decision making support role now for of the CPAs or certified public accountant. Again, management accounting and the decision making support role of the CPAs or for the certified public accountant. Okay. So today, now my discussion is all about introduction first for the management accounting. So, what are the things that we need to understand no, about management accounting and the role of it to our certified public accountant? So, number one, management accounting focuses on providing information to internal users. Again, it is for your internal users sa loob lang, no? It also help the managers make informed business decisions. Okay. And number three, when you say about management accounting, it also involves planning, controlling, and the performance evaluation. Okay. So what are the objectives of the management accounting as discussed during my last video? No? Number one, it also assists in management and decision making. It support also budgeting and forecasting. No? It also enhances the cost control and efficiency. It's about more on cost accounting, no? Providing also data for of evaluating the performance and your profitability. Okay. What else? What are the role naman of management accountants? O ano yung role ng management accountants if you are a CMA, Certified Management Accountant? It collect daw and analyze financial and non-financial information. It also develop cost management system. You also prepare internal reports for planning and control. Support also in the management and strategic and operational decisions. Yan po yung role ng ating certified management accountant or your management accounting. Okay? So, decision making and the management accounting. Okay. So, very important is about this decision making and management control. Management accounting provides data for your product pricing, profitability analysis. You have your make or buy decision. Yes. Budgeting and variance analysis. So, yan. Budgeting and variance analysis. We have investment and appraisal and capital budgeting. Yes. We have also here performance measurement and at the same time your cost control. So lahat po yan ay part no of your decision making and at the same time for your management accounting. Okay. So in relation to the certified public accountant, who are the CPAs? Of course, you have the licensed professionals or qualified accounting and financial services. We have expertise includes management accounting, auditing, taxation, okay? All right? Um and consulting, okay? Play also a vital role, okay? In business and decision making. Yan, okay? And also no, play a vital role, okay? Uh, Particularly for your strategy formulation, okay? So that's also one that we need to, yan, okay? All right. All right. Also the CPAs and management accounting, okay? So CPAs interpret, communicate financial information, okay? Meaning to say, ang CPA po ay nag interpret particularly in terms of your information. Okay? Meaning to say, proper communication, proper interpretation. It also provide management and insights to improve the business performance. That's also one. Okay? It also help organizations align your financial goals, no? Okay, so very important also is aligning also, no? And help organizations in terms of compliance, in terms of objectives, no? Help organizations align goals and objectives, ensure compliance and ethical financial management. So, ibig sabihin, may kasamang financial management, some also compliance also. Alright. Next one. Decision making and the role of the CPAs. So, ano naman yung ginagawa ng mga certified public accountant natin? So, in the CPAs, decision making by preparing reliable financial forecast and budget. So, yan po yung ginagawa ng ating certified public accountant. Conducting financial analysis for your risk assessment. Okay? Advising also cost optimization and also investment strategies. Okay? Ensuring also decisions that are based on accurate and ethical information. So lahat po yan ay part of your decision making and the role of the certified public accountant. Alright, what are the strategic goals or role of the CPAs if you are a certified public accountant? CPA act as a business advisors and partners in strategy. Support also for the long-term growth through performance measurement. Integrate also financial analysis and also organizational strategy. Okay? Promote transparency, accountability, and sustainability. Okay? And that's the role or strategic role of the certified public accountant. Okay. Ethical and professional standards. Ito yung importante din about ethical and professional standards, no? CPAs follow codes of ethics set by professional bodies, no? Integrity, objectivity, and confidentiality key principles. We will discuss later, no? Later, I will discuss naman about the uh, corporate values, no? Integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, and the key principles. Then also about ethical decision making builds stakeholders, trust, and credibility. Yes. Okay. Conclusions. Okay. So, ba't kailangan natin ng management accounting, no? In relation to the role of the certified public accountant. Management accounting empowers managers with relevant data. CPAs plays a crucial role in providing reliable decision-making support, and their expertise organizations achieve financial stability and strategic success. So again, that's my last slide, and thank you for listening and hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.